Hello, my name is David and I own Little Houses Plus and Small World Products. Today we're going to talk to you about how you're going to link your lights to your power pack. Some people call them transformers. Some people use little white plugs and they go into a white socket. Here at Small World Products we don't recommend that. We have a selection of units that you can use to do away with that idea. One reason is because the plugs are so difficult to put on. So we will start with this one here. This is an SW01. It will take 80 bulbs and they come, like all our units do, with a 1 amp fuse in them. You will have to move the fuse to a larger one as you increase your bulb lights. A 1 amp fuse will really just do about 20. You can always let us know when you're ordering it on our website, and we will then change the fuse for you. So it will take 80 bulbs and the wires fit in underneath here, and you just have a little screw and you screw them in so they're tight, and they will always be tight. The next one down is an SW01S. Now this has 12 places that you can put your lights. Again, it will take 80 bulbs total, and you can always connect another one to this little block here. So you can daisy chain them, and that applies to most of these units up to about 3. Once you get more than 3, you will need another transformer or power pack. Just going back to this one here, this little block is at this end, and then you can run either another unit off it or a flicker unit. Moving down to this one here, this is an SW1E, sorry, and that is just a way of connecting more wires to one of these, because you have a little block this side and a little block this side, and those blocks then join onto here, where these two have a plug for our power packs transformers to fit into. If we go down to this one here, this is an SW04S that has 12 outlets, and it also has 12 little switches, so that you can turn your lights on and off. So you can have some lights on in your house and some lights off, and you just flick the little switch up like that, and that will bring the lights on or off. The little block here again, here's for moving onto another unit, so you can add more to it. You have the point here that your plug from your power pack goes into. All our power packs come with a little plug that will fit these units, and just to remind you, they are all digital or regulated. If you're only going to want to put 2 or 3 lights in, like a little shop or a room box or something, you can use one of these little things here, and that's called an SW02. We would not recommend any more than 6 bulbs running off that, because it hasn't got a fuse unit, and the wires just come out this one here or that one there. Moving down to the next one, this is an SW03S, and this is for people that are probably doing things like 1/24 or little shops where you're not wanting to use 80 bulbs. This unit here will take 50 bulbs, and it has 6 outlets. This one here is an SW06S, sorry, that's a SW06S, and that has 6 outlets, the same as this, but it has 6 little switches so you can turn your lights on and off. Then we come down to our flicker units, and you can have one for fires or one for lights. All these units will take a number of bulbs. You can put as many wires into the little places here, into the plus and minus, as you can get in. So you could have on any of the units 2 or 3 lights working off the same part. More information on our website at www.littlehouses+shop.co.uk, and I'd like you to thank you for watching this video and hope it was helpful.